Get Briefcase Token Monopoly Go. So first you just have to launch your Monopoly Go application and make sure that using the latest version of this application. In Monopoly Go, there is what we call Wall Street Wonders, where you can see your achievement or reward, every milestone. Okay, you can see the awards and prizes. So, Wall Street Wonders offers numerous fantastic milestone prizes and awards that will significantly improve your Monopoly Go skills. Among the various things you can win this time is this what we call Briefcase Token. So this is what it looks like. In order for you to get this, you have to reach level 29 and you have to get this required points, and that is 1,400. Okay, and also 1,400 dice roll. So again, you have to reach level 29. Points required is 1,400 to get this. And when it comes to scoring, Wall Street Wonders in Monopoly Go is an event where points are earned by moving across the board and gathering event tokens. Your dice multiplier times 2 points are awarded for each token. Additionally, these tokens can appear anywhere on your board, giving you the opportunity to score points as soon as you touch any of its tiles. So I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our next videos.